Hi guys, there might come a time where you're gonna need two different versions of Trimble Business Center installed on one computer. So the way we used to do that is to uninstall the latest version, install the older version, work with the older version, then uninstall the version and install the new version. Why would you need that? So if you are like me working with different clients, there are some people which just bought the Business Center way back when and they never paid for the upgrades because it does what they need to and that's all they need. However, if you work in a file in the newer version, it's not backwards compatible. I come across this from time to time. Even when I'm doing a training, I have to have basically two versions on. So today I want to take a look at it, how to do it. As you can see, I have a version already installed. This is the latest one, 5.6.0.2 at this time of recording, and I do have hard drive here. Hard drive here I said. So the one I'm gonna try to install is the version 4.11 or 4.10 or something like that, so totally different. I have the install of 4.10 here. I have the install over here. Now before I do that, I'm gonna open another file explorer and I'm gonna go under my C drive where my latest Business Center work lives, program files, Trimble, and as you can see it's Trimble Business Center here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename this folder and I'm gonna put in 5.60.2 2. So I'm gonna change the name of the folder, so when I'm gonna be installing a new one, it's not gonna overwrite. Then I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna hit install. I'm gonna probably fast forward this a little bit so we don't have to sit here for whatever 10-15 minutes. Okay, so we have installed 4.10. As you could see, there was a flash. It couldn't install certain libraries because I already have the newer version on a computer, which is okay. I just hit yes. Now let's see. Let's launch this. So as you can see, this is 4.10 here, and let's try to turn this one on. So there you have it. So here on the left hand side I have the 4.10, here on the right hand side I have the 5.602. so as you can see, I'm just gonna open a default project on both of them, and I guess I'm stretching my graphics card a little bit, but as you can see, I like to use the white background when I'm working with Business Center, and here is actually this one, no, managed to turn off some stuff, yeah, and then we'll have the same idea here, boom, and as you can see, this is pretty much the same idea. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next one.